pag nakaset up na, punta kayo dito sa graphic tablet. Tapos iset nyo yung set nyo yung pressure fine tune to 100 like this. Okay, just like this. Gets. Just set the pressure fine tune to 100 and you're all good to go. Bye bye.